What's up, YouTube? It's Joel. This new year, we're getting a huge record-breaking 5.9% cost of living adjustment for those on Social Security, taking into effect in just a couple of weeks. This marks the biggest annual increase in about 40 years. In 2021, benefits went up by just 1.3%. The average retirement benefit will be about $92 per month higher to $1,657, up from $1,565 last year. Now, I know that some people have not received the amount they thought they would in their Social Security increase. I'm going to explain why in this video. Also, I'm going to show you clearly in a chart the increase adjustments that's happening with Medicare Part B based upon your income and tax filing status. We will also give an update on Social Security 2100. So higher Medicare Part B premiums could reduce the size of your checks, while rising inflation could then take the rest of that increase, so to say. The monthly Social Security payments are largely distributed to beneficiaries based on their dates of birth. If your birthday falls on the 1st through the 10th of your birthday month, then your benefits are paid monthly on the second Wednesday. This month, that falls on January the 12th. If you were born between the 11th and 20th of the month, your checks are paid on the third Wednesday or January 19th of this month. If you were born between the 21st and the 31st, your benefits are paid on the fourth Wednesday. That falls on January 26th this month. You will see your increases this month, and some saw their SSI increases back in December of 2021. To find out how much you'll receive, you do not have to necessarily wait for your January check in order to know your monthly benefit increase for 2022. Most beneficiaries can access that information online through a My Social Security account. The Social Security Administration typically also sends a mailed notice of this increase. There is another way you can also calculate your 2022 monthly benefit amount on your own. So first, take your monthly benefit from this year and multiply it by 1.059 in order to determine how much of an increase you will see. Then subtract your estimated Medicare Part B premium. The amount you will pay in Medicare Part B premiums is based on your income tier, using your modified adjusted gross income from your tax return from 2 years ago. In this chart, on average, you can see that price adjustments have increased exponentially for Medicare Part B. If you're an individual who makes $91,000 or less, your payment will be $170. That's up 14.5% from $148.50. Other income tiers have seen huge increases as well. Monthly premium payments are often deducted directly from Social Security benefit checks. Additional income may mean higher taxes. There are many retirees who have a blend of income from Social Security benefits and other investments that are typically investments like 401k plans or individual retirement accounts. Social Security beneficiaries with combined incomes above certain thresholds, starting at $25,000 for individuals or $32,000 for couples, may pay taxes on up to 85% of their benefits. Combined income includes adjusted gross income, non-taxable interest income, and 1/2 of Social Security benefits. So with the COLA increase that goes into effect next month, this could help seniors keep ahead of inflation. But many experts are concerned that it won't cover the full inflation that we are experiencing. Mary Johnson, a Social Security and Medicare policy analyst at the Senior Citizens League, said, "We're still going to see this tremendous problem with prices increasing faster than the cost of living adjustment. Even with that 5.9% cost of living adjustment increase, inflation through November was up 6.8% for the past 12 months. And it looks like economists are forecasting that may continue." So retirees, anybody living on a fixed income, need to be aware that the 5.9% may look like a bigger increase than we've ever gotten, but once they go through their household budget, they will realize it still won't pay for all the increasing bills. Now, pertaining to the Social Security 2100 Act, This is the bill that looks to overhaul the Social Security program and bring many benefits and increases to all Social Security beneficiaries, has been put as a top priority in the House by Congressman John B. Larson. He is pushing this through as fast as possible to bring about an immediate increase to all Social Security beneficiaries. This would cut taxes and strengthen benefits across the board. There's many things that we are fighting against with the inflation in terms of daily household items such as milk, such as your vegetables and groceries, but other things such as buying a used car or getting gas have increased as well. And this is where they want to push this Social Security 2100 Act as fast as possible to make sure that our friends on Social Security are able to pay for the daily things that they need to keep their lives going and live comfortably with their Social Security monthly checks. So we will keep you updated on this channel as things progress and let you know whenever those increases come into effect. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on all stimulus and economic news that affects you. This is Joel with True Life Investing. Until next time, peace out.